Dear WIC participant, we have established a new system to help serve you more efficiently. The name of the system is Participant Gateway. What is the Participant Gateway? The Participant Gateway is a portal on the internet. It will allow you to upload the necessary certification documents, complete health history questionnaires, and sign WIC-specific documents. How do you access the Participant Gateway system? You will first need to provide your email address to the WIC staff. The WIC staff will send you a text message with the link for you to register for portal access. The link to the portal will be within the text message. Click on the link. The link will direct you to the page that you see on the screen. Your email will auto-populate as the username. Create a password that contains the following: at least one capital letter, at least one number, a non-alphanumeric symbol, for example, exclamation mark, $, or the @sign, at least 8 combined characters. Re-enter your password, then click Register. After you register, you must check your email for confirmation. See the next slide. Confirm your email by clicking here. It's important to note that you need to complete these steps within 24 hours of receiving the Participant Gateway invite. Otherwise, the link will expire and you will need to contact WIC to resend an invitation. Return to the portal to access your account. Your page will look like this. You will see your family name and the clinic that you participate in. You will have access to upload documents and answer health history questions as noted by the WIC staff. To upload documents, click on Documents. Click on Upload. Click on Choose. You will then be able to take a photo of the document you wish to upload, or you may choose a previously saved photo from your library. Click Submit. Repeat these steps for as many documents as you need to upload onto the system. What documents do you need for your recertification? You need proof of income from the last 30 days. Or if you participate in Medicaid, SNAP, or TANF, you will need to upload proof of these. Proof of address, identification for all participants, certifying, shot records for the children participating in the WIC program. We hope that you have found this video useful. If you have any questions, please call us at 832-393-5427. Thank you.